Today we are going to start a confidence practice in which we will ask some of our friends. So we have these guys, and we will ask them uh, to introduce themselves. And when they introduce, so they will feel more confidence and front of other. It can be easy to remove their fear to go in their audience and to speak front of the audience. So it will be beneficial for them to start talking and introducing themselves. So let's go. I would like to call Afzal Khan here.
Hello everyone, my name is Abdul Khan. I came from Zadod and I am learning here English. So these are my friends. So so I would like to say that I just passed 12th class in 2025 and 26 session, and my hobbies is playing cricket, and uh, I I make vlog on Instagram. So I can make Instagram followers that gives me reach and some promotions that gives me money, so I can start my own business. ठीक है?
Now we have our next candidate, which is facial. The facial.
Good morning, guys. My name is Faisal Khan. I am live in Magduna. This time I am come to Center for Learning English, and all friends are come with me for learning English. And I want to become a doctor. And this time I am on preparation of a in, preparing for a introduction exam. And, NEET exam. This time I am preparation of a NEET exam, and 2 and 3 months. After 2 and 3 months, I will go to Sikar for preparation of NEET exam. You ask me, my qualification. I have passed the 12th class by 85%, and my habits. I I like a play volleyball in my village, and I play Free Fire game in mobile.
So I would like to call Abdullah here to introduce himself. Okay, so my name is Abdullah and I am from Lakshmangarh Shekhar, Rajasthan. And if you talk about my occupation, so I am passed from masters near in Todi College through English literature. And if you talk about my skills, so my skills is communication and English speaking. And I am a quick learner. So anything if you want, I can talk about that. What's my hobbies? My hobbies is playing cricket. In introductions, we can shortly introduce ourselves. Okay, like in a three stage. The first is introduce, tell me about yourself. Then the second is tell me about your qualification. The third one is tell me also what do you like about your hobbies, na whatever. If you want to improve your English, if you want to enhance your confidence, so you have to confront the people, confront the strangers to make your conversations better. So, thanks for watching. Goodbye.